Okay, so here we have Astha. She's from Ladania. So first she will introduce herself to us. Okay, go ahead.
My name is Astha Kumari. I am the student of rural English classes, and my father's name is Mr. Jitendra Kumar. He is a businessman, and that's all.
Yeah, I know your father. He's a good guy. Okay, yeah. He always respects me, and I also respect your father. Okay, he's a good guy. Okay, so here we have questions. I have made a list because I don't remember at the moment what to ask, what to not. So that's why I made this. Okay, now the first question is: do you want to study in your school? If yes, then why? If no, then why not?
I want to study in my school, but there is no student study in my class. I am the one student studying 7th class.
Okay, you are the only students. Okay. So this is the reason. So okay, you didn't tell me you want to or not. I mean, you want, but
Yeah.
there is no students,
Yeah.
right? So if there will be a student, then you will stay. And what if there is no student? I mean, you will be the only one. Then what will you do?
I will go to other school.
And that's a good choice, I guess. And you need a circle, you need an environment of studies. So like you cannot make studies when you are alone in your class, right? When you are the only one in your class, like how can you study?
Now in my school, in 7th class, there has one only student.
And that's you, I guess.
No, now in
Now.
7th, yeah.
Now, I mean, right now there is one student in 7th class. Okay, and I mean, at least 4 or 5 students there should be in a class. I mean, not even teacher will feel good to teach only one student, right?
Yeah.
So, what plan you have? Like, if there is student, then you will stay. Otherwise,
Yeah, I stay.
so I mean, you like your school, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, you have spent a lot of time,
Yeah.
years and years there. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. So the next question is for you that. What do you think you will pass your exam by? Yeah, recently it was your exam. Like it was all of yours exam. Okay, the month of March is the month of exams, right? So it was also your exams in this month. So what do you think? Will you pass your exam?
Yeah, I think that I will pass in my exam because I was not prepared for my exam, but I do.
Performed? I did.
Yeah, I perform
Well.
good in exam.
Yeah, that's good. And you have to tell me all the subjects, like how did you perform in maths, how did you perform in English and science and all the subjects. Tell me.
In math and science, I perform very well.
Because it was easy.
Yeah.
So tell us.
Yeah, I think that math and science is easy.
Was easy.
Yeah, was easy.
These 2 subjects were easy.
Yeah.
And that's why you performed well. So tell us clearly. Yeah.
Means nothing. I think about science is the easiest subject in my life.
Because you like it. It is your favorite subject, science. Okay. What about maths?
I like math, but not
That much.
yeah that.
You like maths, but not that much. Little bit. Okay. So what about other subjects?
Not. I do not like other subject.
Like how did your exam go in other subjects?
Oh, in SST it was good.
Good. Just good.
Yeah.
Okay. Not well. Not great. Yeah.
In English
Why is it so? ऐसा क्यों?
because sir did not teach some topics, some chapters. That's why, and he asked the questions from other chapters.
chapter.
Yeah.
Okay. Overall, it was a hard paper, I guess, for you. Okay. And what about English?
In English it was better
Better. Yeah.
yeah.
Good.
because I learned English from your coaching.
Okay. And as I can see, you're speaking so well. So I think you would have no problem in English.
Yeah.
You would never have a problem in English because you speak English, you know English. So English would be easy, the easiest subject for you, right?
For me.
Okay. So and other subject
And all subjects are good.
like Sanskrit. Do you study Sanskrit?
In my school it has no Sanskrit.
Okay, your school has no Sanskrit. GK?
Yeah.
So what
GK
about
is also good.
Also
very,
good.
very good.
Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Because GKs are like, there are only notes. You have to memorize only one word, one line, and you did it well, right? Okay. So what do you think? Like, how many marks will you score in your exams? Like, and what percentage? Tell me.
I think that I get above 85%.
Above 85. Above 85. I mean, it is very good.
Yeah.
I mean, it is really very good. Okay, and I salute your confidence. You're just thinking to score 85% above. That's amazing. Okay, let's move towards next question. Is which is your favorite season and why?
My favorite season is spring season
Spring season. Right?
because it has no lot of hot and not lot of cold.
Cold. Yeah.
Yeah, because I do not like hot and cold. I
You
like
don't like extreme cold or extreme hot.
hot. Yeah, because that's why I like spring season.
Mm-hmm.
In a spring season, no much means no much sun, no much snow
Okay.
means
Cold.
cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I like spring season.
That's great. That's great. Amazing. Amazing. You're answering my questions like in a great way, I would say, and your sentences are also correct. So the next question is, which is your favorite subject and why? I mean, you earlier mentioned that science maybe is your favorite subject because your exam went well in science. So again, I would like to ask that which is your favorite subject and this time why?
My favorite subject is science, and I like science because I think about science is easiest for me, and it has no any reasons.
Yeah, I mean, you might be liking this from your childhood. That yes, from your childhood you study science. That's why you like it.
Science, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So tell me how. Okay. So I would like to ask you another question, like a different question, like how is weather today?
Today it is cold, cold
A little
weather.
bit?
Yeah, little bit
But when you go
cold.
out, you will feel hot.
Yeah.
Because it is.
It is sun,
Yeah.
and it is a little bit of air. It is
Blowing?
blowing air, and that's why it is cold, hot, and
Mix
air.
of everything.
Yeah, mix of the weather.
Air, cold, and
And the
sunlight,
sun.
and everything. It is hot also. Yeah, that's good. Okay, tell me, what is your future goal? What do you want to? I mean, you have told this many times. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become doctor in my life because I see many of people's they are injured and no any people's help us. That's why I think about I help
Becoming a doctor,
Yeah.
and you will help.
When I becoming a doctor, so I treat everyone in means any people has no money, so I treat in free.
You can treat them.
Yeah.
So recently, I mean, before you, we had a previous participant, Sushant, and I asked him that you want to become a doctor. So he told me, yes, I want to become, but right now, because I'm a child, so I'm confused. So is it happening with you also? Are you also confused?
No, I am not confused. I have one dream. I become a doctor.
And you are fully determined towards your dream.
Yeah.
No any doubt. And you are also working according to your dream, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, one more question. I think it is good actually. Okay. So, what if there is no student in your class? So, which school would you prefer to go in?
I'm not no.
I don't know.
I don't.
I haven't
know.
planned yet.
Yeah, I have no plan to which school I will go. My father decide this, then I will go to.
Okay. So your father decides everything, right? Okay. Your father, as I told you that your father is a nice guy. So tell me about your father.
My father is good for me. He helps me in all time, and when he
I'm coming for that.
he wake up me at 7 o'clock.
He wakes me up.
Yeah.
Yeah, at 7 o'clock.
Every day, and he told that you are ill now, so I told that I am not ill. I went to coaching, and
I will go to coaching.
I will go to coaching. Then some days I will, when it was my school, so I was ill for some days. So my father told you are ill now. So I told to your director sir.
Sees. Okay.
He left you in your school, and he did not beat you in your school.
Okay. I mean, it means that your father cares for you so much, right? Yeah. I mean, a father is always a superhero for their children, right? Okay. That's a great talk with you. Now you can say thank you, and it was a really fantastic talk. And I will tell you.
I also feel better talk with you.
Okay, so one more thing that never miss the class. That's the last thing I would say. I would say that never miss and continue your study, continue practicing, and never miss the class, especially on Sunday, because this is the day where we talk randomly, right? Okay, now say thank you.
Thank you.